Most people think GoHighLevel is a complicated platform. In reality, it's simply four powerful systems working together. Once you understand these four parts, GoHighLevel becomes clear, logical, and easy to master. This is Hasnan from Logics, a certified GoHighLevel admin. I didn't learn GHL from theory alone. I have implemented it for real clients, solved real problems, and scaled real systems. The first part of GoHighLevel is the CRM. This is where all your leads and customers live: contacts, pipelines, tags, and custom feeds. If your CRM is structured properly, you can track, manage, and control your entire business. The second part is how leads enter the system. Funnels, forms, surveys, calendars are used to capture leads and book appointments. In this course, we won't just build assets. We will build conversion-focused systems. The third and the most powerful part is automation. Workflows handle follow-ups, reminders, messages, emails, and internal notifications automatically. This is where GHL saves time, reduces manual work, and prevents lost leads. The fourth part is monetization and scaling. SaaS mode, snapshots, and client onboarding turn GoHighLevel into a revenue-generating platform. Whether you want to work as a VA, freelancer, or agency owner, this part gives you a clear path forward. By the end of this course, you'll be able to confidently use GoHighLevel, build real-world systems, work with clients professionally, and understand how agencies scale using GoHighLevel. So if you're serious about learning GoHighLevel the right way, without confusion or shortcuts, you are in the right place. This video was meant to give you a clear structure of GoHighLevel so you understand what you are about to learn and why it matters. In the next video, we will start breaking this down in detail and begin with the foundation of GoHighLevel.